Hello, Team Liquid. I put together a database of our students who are returning on campus by name, ID, their status, their selection to be in person at school, whether or not they are Group A or Group B, who their counselor is, if they are male or female, grade level, special ed, if they are eligible to be on campus 5 days because they are SDC, and if they are in SDC, it will say yes, they were eligible for transportation. Students who are eligible SDC for transportation must be on campus 5 days. So even though they're tagged as A or B, they will be in both groups. So I just want to take a moment to point that out to you. Also has their pathway, the teacher, course title, period, and your room number. So you can use this in any fashion you wish. If I am Ms. Sakuna, I can filter down to just my students. I might just want to filter down to just period 1. Period 1, I might want to just see, well, who is Group A? That's one way to do it, but that's a lot of clicks. You can sort if you're into Excel and databases and playing with the different functions and tools in here. You do whatever you want. This is for you. You can throw it away, not even look at it. No one's going to ask. I'm going to unlock all the filters and bring everybody back. And it's just that easy. Just clicks. But what I want to bring to your attention is a pivot table on this side. There's a nice, powerful tool inside the pivot table. So you can see this is by teacher and by period, the number of Group A students, the number of Group B students. If I am Ms. Sakuna and I want to see who my period or my first period Group A students are, I can simply click on that number 6 and now I can see them instead of doing all the filtering. I can look over here. This student is RSP. I don't have any eligible 5-day students or eligible for transportation. You will see it does open up a new sheet. I might just want to save that as Akuna. It's period 1. A. I'm going to go back to the pivot table. I will go down. I could even do this if I wish. We'll pretend I am Deb Kane for just a moment. And I can just select myself here. And I want to see, I expect 7 students, period 5 at the B group, and I just want to click on it. I want to see who those kids are that are coming in one place. And then I can look over at the eligibility. They are eligible to be 5 days, so these students could be Monday through Friday. They don't have to be. But these 2 students who are eligible transportation, if they accept the transportation, they will be here 5 days. So that's it. I just wanted to give you a little preview of how to utilize this. It's not live. It won't update if we add more students to it, but it will at least get us started next week for seniors. I will likely do another one next week for the following week when all of our students come back. Enjoy!